Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a mobile control feature for this simple 2D airplane game. Scripts will be available by the link in the description as usual. Let's set up our scene from the scratch. Here is the scene with aspect ratio set to 9:16. First we need to import CrossPlatformInput package. Assets, Import package, CrossPlatformInput, hit Import button. And here it is imported. Next, let's fill our scene with game objects. Add sky background and add an airplane. Reset it. Position it like so. And set its order layer to 5 for example, so plane will be rendered in front of the background. Our plane will going to need a rigid body to the component. Let's add it and set its gravity scale to 0. That's it. Next, let's make our main camera to be able to follow our airplane. To make this happen, we will use camera follow script. Let's take a look at it. It's pretty simple one. First, here we have target to follow game object reference that we can assign in inspector. And in update method, we just set a position of main camera according to target position in X and Y axis. Z coordinate stays the same. That's it. Drag and drop this script to main camera. Select main camera and drag and drop our airplane into target to follow slot of camera follow script. Next, let's create control joystick. Expand standard assets folder, then cross-platform input folder, prefabs folder, and drag and drop mobile single stick control prefab into hierarchy. OK. Before we move on, we need to add one component to this stick control. Add component. We need canvas scaler. Here it is. And set UI scale mode to scale with screen size. There we go. Now expand stick control. This prefab contains jump button, which we don't need in our case. So we can delete it. Yes, I'm sure. OK, here is our joystick. Let's edit it a bit. Anchor it at bottom center, holding Alt plus Shift keys. Position it a bit higher. Make it bigger. And let's tweak some control options. Let's constrain movement range a bit, so joystick will not move too far from its center. And let it be able to move only horizontally. Joystick is ready. All we need to do now is to add airplane script to our plane to be able to control it. Here is this script. It uses cross-platform input library. Here we have move speed and angular speed variables available in inspector, rotation X variable to hold input value, and rigid body to the reference, which is assigned in start method. In update method, we get input value from horizontal axis of our joystick and simply rotate our plane in Z axis according to this input multiplied by angular speed. In fixed update method, we just set a velocity to plane's rigid body component in transform up direction multiplied by move speed. That's the script. Drag and drop it into airplane game object. I select airplane and edit speed values a bit. Let's move speed be set to 2 and angular speed will be -2. That's it. We can hit play and test it right here in the editor. And we can create a build and test it on Android device. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.